ಯಾರದು? ಗುಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್. ಯಾರದು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು?
ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್.
ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್. ರಾಘವೇನೋ? ಹಲೋ
ಸರ್ ರಾಘವ್.
ಇವತ್ತು ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ
Yes, sir.
ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ?
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ 5 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ?
ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಆಯ್ತು. ಚೆಸ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಬೇಕಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, ಅದು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ನೆನಪಿಲ್ಲ ಕಣ ನನಗೆ. ಆಯ್ತು, ಈಗ ಮೆಡಲು ಬುಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಆಯ್ತು. ಗುರು ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಗುರು ವಿಷ್ಣು ಗುರು ದೇವ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರ ಗುರು ಸಾಕ್ಷಾತ್ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ತಸ್ಮೈ ಗುರುವಿನ್ಮ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಒಂದು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಗೇಮ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
E4 E5 NF3 NC6 Bishop C4 Bishop C5 C3 D4 GD4 E5 NE5 Bishop D4 5 Knight into F7 King into F7 C. Shainaran, tell me, Shainaran.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Thank you.
Sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, short games, black wins.
This white black wins. This game black wins.
Sir, what did you say, send?
It is short game.
Okay. Sir, what did you say I send? Then
I sent the medal to you. I sent the medal to you.
You already sent?
I already sent it. This checkmate.
Oh.
Can we go to puzzles now?
Yes.
Sir, can you please repeat what you said, sir? I joined now.
Okay, I'll show the game. 1 minute. Who? Arya, no? Arnab. Arya, what's your name?
Sir, Arya. Sir, Arya.
Where are you located?
Sir?
Rajarajeshwari Nagar.
Sir, Rajarajeshwari Nagar.
Your mobile number is? Can you give?
Sir, my mother's mobile number is 988
988
65
65
92
92
419.
419. Okay. Can you come today? I will give medal to you, all of you. Is it possible to come today?
Sir, I'll have to ask my mother, sir. They've gone out.
Where are you located? Rajarajeshwari.
Sir, Rajarajeshwari Nagar.
Okay, you can come to my academy, or else I will come and give it to you.
Sir, we'll come when we're free, sir.
Okay. Today it is possible if you can come, because I have to give it to all of you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Game. I'll show the game now.
Okay, sir.
I'll come.
I've sent it. Shainaran, and I've sent it.
Okay.
E4, E5, NF3, NC6. This is a short game. Black wins in this. Black Bishop C4, Bishop C5, C3, NF6, D4. Now E5. This is a mistake. Pawn to pawn, bishop check. Now Mukunda Surya. Pawn to now it is now you sacrifice the queen to checkmate black. Checkmate. This checkmate. Did you get it? Arya, did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Can you go to puzzles now?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Mukunda. How are you?
I am fine, sir. Sir, yesterday I was traveling. That's why I couldn't attend class, sir.
Okay, okay. Can I go to puzzles now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves. Mukunda, you have to give your address. I have to send a medal to you.
Yes, sir will send medal to you, Mukunda.
Sir,
Which medal, sir? Normal medal.
Normal medal.
Or-
White to play and win.
Mate in two.
Bet in
Sir.
2. Bet in 2, yes.
Sir, RC3.
No, RC3 is wrong. Then king can.
RA7, sir.
No,
RA7.
this rook movement.
Sir,
This rook movement.
RA7.
Sir, RA7, RA7,
R7 is also
RA7.
wrong. Then king can go to C8. It is wrong. Where
Sir, RC3, RC3.
RC3 is also wrong. China, right?
RB8.
Which rook? A8 to B8. Now it is check. Whatever you do, it will be checkmate. Did you get it?
Sir, oh yes, yes.
If king further moves also, then also it will be checkmate. If further moves, then also it will be checkmate. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I go to next problem?
Sir.
White to play and checkmate black in 2 moves. White to play.
Sir,
Sir, NG5, sir, NG5.
NG5. Then king can kill. Go here. It is wrong.
NC5. NC5.
NC5. Then bishop will kill there. That is also wrong.
Sir,
Sir.
QF5.
Sir, RD6, RD6. Sir, RD6.
Now rook into rook. What will you do? Now one.
Sir, now NC5. NC5.
Correct.
Sir, NC5.
Correct. Who told that?
Sir, Arya.
Arya. Correct. Correct. Very
Sir,
good.
who is that? Sir, who is that 666 winners?
Raghav.
Okay, why sir like that? Hello, sir. ನಾನು ಕೌಸ್ತುಭ ಇವಾಗ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Correct. ಕೇಳ್ತೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಸುಜಲ್ ಒಬ್ಬ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಜನರಲ್ಲಿ?
ಹಲೋ ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಕೌಸ್ತುಭ.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಇವತ್ತು ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಗೆ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು ಕಣ. White to play and checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, RB7.
Correct. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು?
Sir, Arya.
Correct. Knight kills. Now 1 move checkmate.
Sir, now ND7.
97.
Now king can't come here or here. Correct.
ND7.
Now can you tell white to play and checkmate black in 2 moves?
Sir,
RB6. Sir, RB6.
Rook B6, sir.
Sir, now RA8.
R8.
Suppose king kills the rook.
R8.
Suppose king kills the rook.
Sir, RC6.
RC6. Now king can't
RC6.
move here or here. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Unstoppable checkmate, sir.
Yes. White to play and checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, Queen B2.
Queen B2 is wrong. Queen B2, then king bishop will kill the bit.
Sir, Queen B1.
Queen B1 is correct. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು? ಕೌಸ್ತುಭ.
Sir,
Correct. Very good.
Sir, Kaustubh.
Now knight is forced to kill.
Rajeshwari Nagar.
Now 1 move checkmate. Can you tell?
Sir, BD5. So BD5.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Now king can't come here or here.
So suppose king kills.
Yes, king cannot kill. Bishop is supporting it.
Oh yes, sir.
Eagle, white to play and checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, Queen E8.
Queen E8. Then king into e8. ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಕಣ.
Sir,
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 queen
sir,
e8.
sir, NF7, NF7, sir,
NF7 is also
NF7.
wrong. NF7 is also wrong. Queen e8.
NE6.
China and it is wrong. It is wrong.
Sir, NE6.
NE6 is correct. Now pawn to e6. Now one more checkmate. Can you tell?
Sir, BE5, BE5.
Sir, BG3, BG3.
BG3 is also wrong.
BG3.
BE5 is also wrong.
Sir, BG5.
BG5 is also
BH6,
wrong. Then bishop can
BH6.
come to.
Queen e8. Queen
No,
e8.
queen e8
BD6.
then queen will kill the queen. Then
Sir, BD6. BD6.
BD6 is correct.
BD6.
BD6 is correct. Now king can't move. Bishop also cannot move. Pin. Was that?
Sir.
Sir, ನಾನು ರಾಘವ್ ನೇಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಆಯ್ತು ಕಣ ಆಯ್ತು. King can't come here or here. Correct. White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, knight c6.
Knight c6. Then bishop to c6. What will you do?
Sir, now Queen D. No, sir, no, sir, no, sir. No, sir.
Sir, that is
Queen
wrong.
d6.
That is
Queen
correct.
d6.
Knight movement. Knight movement. Knight
Sir, queen d6.
No, queen d6, then king will kill the queen. Knight
Sir,
movement.
knight c8. Knight c8. Knight c8. Knight c8.
Knight
Knight
c8 is
c8.
correct. Now king can't come here.
ಇಲ್ಲ
Knight
sir,
c8, sir. Knight c8.
Yes, yes.
NC8.
Yes, yes. Correct. Mukund, you have to give address. Your address. Mukund. Okay.
Yes, sir. I will message you, sir.
Okay, okay. White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, knight d5, knight d5, knight d5. Knight d5, knight
Knight
d5.
Knight d5, then bishop will kill the knight. That is wrong.
Knight
Knight d5.
Knight
Sir, BC5, BC5.
bc5, then king will come here. Escape here.
RD7.
RD7 will show. Then king will kill the rook. That is
Knight
also
d5.
Voice break ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Knight d8.
ಏನು ಸಾಯಿನಾರಾಯಣ ಏನು ಸಾಯಿನಾರಾಯಣ
Knight d8.
Knight d8. Then king
Sir,
will kill
pawn
the
to
knight.
F6 sir. Sir, pawn to F6.
1 minute ನೋಡೋಣ.
Pawn to F6 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ
Pawn to
BC5.
f6. No, pawn to
ಇವಾಗ
no
BC
bc.
Sir, knight c5.
Now bc5 correct.
bc5.
Now bc5 correct. Correct. You can't come here or here or here. Correct. You can't come here. Correct. White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
sir, pawn to F7.
Queen sacrifice. Kano.
Sir, pawn to f7. No.
Pawn to f7, then king will escape to. It is bishop into pawn.
Sir, knight
Sir, QF8, QF8, QF.
Carry
Sir, QF8. Sir, Arya, Sir, Arya, Sir, Arya.
Correct. Now king into f8.
Sir, now pawn push to G7.
Sir,
Pawn to, you know,
Sir, G7, G7.
excuse me, sir.
ಏನು ಯಾರು ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು
Sir, Kaustubh.
ಏನು
Class left. Class left. Sir, he left the class. He has
Yes,
some
sir.
network issues. Kaustubh left the class and
Okay,
he
okay.
has
Okay.
network issues and excuse me, sir. He said.
Oh. No, king can't come here or here. Correct. He get the white to play in checkmate black in 2 moves. 1 minute, I go to restroom and come. 1 minute.
Again, he's having some network issues.
Can you tell now? Can you tell now?
Sir, I know, sir. Sir, I know. Sir, sir, no, sir.
Rook B8.
Knight C6, sir. Knight C6. Sir, knight C6.
Knight C6.
Sir, knight C6.
Now pawn to knight. Pawn to
Sir,
knight.
QA6. Sir, QA6.
Correct. QA6 is correct. Now knight can't kill it. King can't move anywhere. Correct. It is absolutely correct.
What?
Now knight king can't move anywhere. It can't come here or there. Correct. ಕೌಸ್ತುಭ
ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಇತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆದೆ ಸರ್.
ಆಯ್ತು. White to play in checkmate black in 1 move. 2 moves, sorry.
Sir, rook to b5.
To the b5
Sir,
and queen.
rook B5.
Sir, BD8. BD8. D5.
B6.
Sir, bishop D8. Sir,
One
D8.
minute. ಒಬ್ಬರತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
Rook b6.
Sir, BD8. BD8.
Now
BD8.
Sir, BD8.
Sir, rook
pawn
B6.
kill what will you do?
Sir, rook B6. Sir, rook B6.
Rook b6 and pawn to b6 what will you do?
Sir, rook B6. Sir, rook B6.
Rook b6.
Sir, queen A8.
Queen a8 then
Queen
king can
A8.
go. King can go to here. Only 2 moves are there for you. That is
Sir,
all.
first move is BD8. Sir, first move is BD8.
BD8. Now king it rook into BD8, rook into D8. That's correct.
Sir, now Queen A7. Queen to A7.
Correct. Queen A7 is correct. I'll show it again.
Sir,
Rook B8,
Q-
bishop B8. Now rook into B8. Now Queen B7. That's
sir,
correct.
Queen
Queen B7. Correct. Checkmate.
B6 ಆದ್ರೆ sir.
Rook B6 ಆದ್ರೆ ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಕಣ. ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ ಇಂದ ಹೊಡೆದು ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರೆ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಟು B5. ಎರಡೇ ಮೂವ್ ಇರೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಪಾನು A7 ಇಂದ A8 ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೆನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು ಕಣ. ಪಾನ್ A7 to A5 ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ರುಕ್ ಬಿ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂವ್ ಬಿಷಪ್ D8 deflecting the rook. Rook is forced to kill. Now queen A7 ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಹೀಗೆ white to play in checkmate black in 2 moves. White to play in
Sir,
checkmate.
knight C7. Knight
Sir,
D7.
BB5.
Knight C7 correct.
E7.
Knight C7 ಯಾರು
E7.
Knight C7 correct. Bishop into knight ಗೆ
Sir, now B5.
correct. Now king can't move here.
Knight C7. Sir,
Knight
Kaustuv.
C7. Kaustuv is correct.
Sir.
Correct. Now king can't come here or here or here.
Sir, charge my iPad, sir. It has only 40.
Now tell me, white to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir,
Sir, rook D5. Rook
No,
D5.
pawn moment.
Sir,
Sir,
pawn
pawn F4. Sir, F4.
F4.
Sir, F4.
Now king kills the pawn. Now one more checkmate. Can you tell?
Sir, now RD4.
Sir,
RD4.
RD3 correct.
Rook
RD3
D3.
correct.
Sir, rook
So,
D3, sir.
king can't come here or
D3.
here or here. Correct.
Rook D3.
Correct. ಹೀಗೆ white to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, ND8.
ND8. Then king will go to here. What will you do?
Sir, now
It is not possible.
excuse me, sir. Same screen. हाँ सर इवाग चेंज आयತು.
White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir knight d8.
Knight d8 ತಪ್ಪು ಕಣೋ, ತಪ್ಪು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ.
Sir, NG5, NG5.
NG5 is also wrong. Queen movement.
Sir,
Knight f8. Sir knight f8.
2G6 is correct. 2G6. Now king
Sir,
takes-
next RG3.
No,
RG3.
not RG3. Bishop move.
Sir, BH5.
B. H.
BH5.
Correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct. King can't come. Correct. White to play in checkmate black. 2 moves, sorry. 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Only 1 minute. White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, QH5.
Wrong, Kana. QH5 wrong.
Sir, bishop to pawn. Bishop into pawn.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಣ, bishop to
Sir,
pawn.
bishop into pawn. Bishop.
Queen movement.
Sir, bishop
Queen
into.
movement. Bishop into knight, then pawn will kill.
queen into bishop.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಣ, white to play. Checkmate black in 2 moves. Queen.
Sir bishop a4.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣ, bishop a4 ತಪ್ಪು ಕಣ. Then knight will kill the bishop. That is all.
Sir,
Queen sacrifice.
Sir, queen into bishop.
Queen f6.
No.
Queen f6.
Queen G6 correct, no, not F6. Queen G6 correct. Now wants to kill. Now one more checkmate can we ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
Sir, bishop into pawn.
Bishop
Correct.
6.
Correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct. Can you tell white to play in checkmate black in 2 moves?
Sir, NE6.
NE6, then rook will kill the knight. What do you do?
Sir, RF8.
RF8, correct. No, it is checkmate. Correct. It is discovered check. It's a bishop and rook both are giving check. Correct. Can you tell white to play in checkmate black in 2 moves?
Sir, QG5.
2G5, then player will kill it.
No, sir.
Bishop will kill that.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
H8.
No, RH8. No.
QH5.
QH5 ನೋಡೋಣ. If king kills, that is wrong.
Sir, then RA5.
Then king can go back. One day 2 moves are there for you.
Yes, sir.
Sir, QG6.
2G6. Now pawn to queen. What will you do? Now one more checkmate, can you tell?
Sir,
Rook 8.
sir, rook into rook.
Rook into rook, correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct.
Sir,
ಹೀಗೆ white to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, rook into pawn.
Correct.
Rook into pawn.
Correct.
So then queen into pawn.
Pawn to queen, queen to pawn. Correct.
Into pawn.
Correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct. ಹೇಗಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸು? ಹಲೋ,
ಸರ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದೆ.
ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿ,
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಗ್ತಿದೆ. ವೈಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ ಇನ್ ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇನ್ 2 moves.
Sir, QF8.
2 F8. Then bishop will kill the rook. That is wrong.
ಸರ್ ಕ್ವೀನ್
Q E8.
2 E8. Correct. Now queen. Now one more checkmate. Can you tell?
Sir, BG6.
No, rook
BG6.
movement. Kada. Bishop D6 and king can move to
Sir, RF8. RF8. RF8.
R8. Correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct. Eagle, white to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir,
Sir, QD7. QD7. Sir, QD7.
Then pawn will kill, light will kill the rook.
Yes, sir.
White to play.
ಸರ್ Q8.
ಇಲ್ಲ, Q8 ತಪ್ಪು. King can go to C7. ಎರಡೇ ಮೂವ್ ಇರೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ.
RD8.
RD8 correct. Now king kills. Now tell one more checkmate.
QD7.
QA8. QA8.
B8 correct. No, not A8. B8 is correct. Now king can't come here or here or here. Correct.
ಸರ್
Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
No.
Sir, rook to rook.
Rook to rook. Wala. Rook to rook.
Sir, NC6, NC5, NC5.
NC5 ತಪ್ಪು ಕಣ.
Sir, Queen E7.
Queen E7 ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು?
Sir, Queen E7.
ಯಾರು
Sir,
ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು?
Kaustubh. Sir,
Now,
Kaustubh base.
Now rook into E7 what will you do? Now rook
Sir, now rook into rook. Rook into
rook
rook.
into rook, then it will not be checkmate. King can kill the rook. Only one more.
Sir,
Sir, king can't kill the
knight
rook.
C5.
Rook into correct. Rook
Sir,
into rook
knight
correct.
C5.
Rook into C correct. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು? ಕೌಸ್ತುಭ?
Sir, Arya, sir, Arya.
Yeah, correct.
sir.
Correct. Correct. Now king can't come here or here or here or here. White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
ಸರ್ RD8.
Or D8. Then bishop into D8 what will you do?
ಸರ್ Queen to pawn. Queen to pawn.
Correct. Correct. Bishop to D8 only move. Now king can't move here or here or here or here. Correct. King can't come here or here or correct.
QF7, QF7, QF7.
2 F7 correct. Eagle, white to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
NG6.
In which knight G6, then pawn to G6. Adu wrong.
Sir, ND7, ND7.
ND7 is also wrong. Then bishop will kill the right. ಎರಡೇ ಮೂವ್ ಇರೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ.
Again, that network is.
Sir, queen into knight. Sir, queen into knight.
Queen to knight. Queen to bishop is correct. So king into
Yes,
bishop,
sir.
then can you tell one more checkmate?
NG ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
Sir, bishop into pawn. Bishop into pawn.
Now bishop.
Sir, BC5. BC5.
BC5 correct. 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 Now king come here or here or here. Correct. And are you there?
ஐயோ செஸ் கிளாஸ் போயிட்டு இருக்கு இவளுக்கு நாளைக்கு எக்ஸாம் வந்ததுனால
Eagle, white to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, sir, knight c6, knight c6.
Knight c6. Then knight into c6 is wrong. Then knight into knight.
நாளைக்கு மதியானம்
Sir, queen to
Mm-hmm.
Sir, rook to c8, r8, r8.
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 C8.
R8 then no.
RC7. RC7.
R8 then rook will kill the rook. What will you do? It is not
Sir,
possible.
RC7.
Not possible.
R7. Now king into rook. One move checkmate. Can you tell?
Sir, nd5, nd5.
ND5 checkmate. King can go to B8.
Oh, sir, then queen a7, queen a7.
King A7 correct.
queen is
Correct. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು? Kaustuba.
Sir, Arya.
Arya correct.
Arya.
Sir, Arya.
Correct. King can't come here or here or here. Correct.
அஞ்சா அஞ்சா
Can you tell white to play in checkmate black in 2 moves?
ஒண்ணுமே
Sir, q இல்ல sir, ne6 ne6
NE6. Then bishop NE6 wrong. NE6 then bishop into E6. E6.
queen to rook
Queen
to
to then
rook.
rook into queen. That is also wrong.
இல்ல sir, queen to g6
Queen to G6. Okay. Now rook into
Sir, now rook into rook.
yes sir,
Rook into rook.
correct. Now king can't come here or here or here. Soldier can't kill it because it's absolute pin. Correct. Correct. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು?
Sir, last move ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ.
ಕೌಸ್ತುಭ ಆರ್ಯಾನ.
ಹಾಂ sir.
ಹೀಗೆ white to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Rook to knight.
sir, nb
Knight.
NB5, sir. NB5.
NB5. White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, bishop into knight.
Bishop into knight is wrong. Not possible.
Sir, rook into
Soldier
knight.
rook into knight is correct. Rook into knight is
rg8
RG. Now pawn to knight. Pawn to rook. One more checkmate. Can you tell?
Sir, rg6, rg6.
No, bishop moment. Bishop moment.
bf4
bf4 correct.
bf4.
Now king can't come here or here or here or here. Correct. Correct. White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, qe6.
Correct. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು?
Sir, Arya.
Correct. Now pawn to queen.
Sir,
Sir, rook E.
Rook to
sir,
E7.
re7, re7.
Correct. Correct. Yeah, very good.
E7.
Correct. R7. Now king can't come here or here. Correct. Now can you tell white to play in checkmate black in 2 moves?
To knight. Rook to
Sir.
knight. Rook to knight.
Rook to knight.
Sir. Sir, bishop to f5.
Bishop to f5. Then soldier will kill the bishop. Bishop to
Sir, it'll be check. Sir, it'll be check.
bishop to f5. Oh. But bishop to g6 is correct. Oh,
Yes, sir.
that is also wrong. 1 minute. White to play. ಯಾರದು ಬರಿತಿರೋದು? ಸಾಯಿ ನಾರಾಯಣ.
yes sir,
Queen to E7.
Queen to e8 is correct. 1 minute. Queen to e8 and king to e8. Now one more checkmate. Can you tell?
Sir,
Bishop to
bishop
pawn,
into
bishop to
pawn.
pawn.
Bishop into pawn.
Bishop into pawn.
Now king can't come here or here or here. Correct.
Sir.
Now can you tell white to play in checkmate? ಯಾರ್ದು? ಹೇಗಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸು?
Nice,
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ
sir.
sir.
Sir, this is the last problem or?
Another two problems are there. Another two problems.
Okay. This one and that one.
Sir, NF7.
F7. Into F7 what will you do? One move.
Sir, rook into rook. Sir, rook into rook.
Correct. Very good.
Sir.
Correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct. Correct. White to play in checkmate black in two moves.
Rook to knight.
Hook to knight.
H8.
Ask F7 is correct. Now it is knight kills. Now one move checkmate. Can you tell?
Sir,
Pawn to G7.
sir, ND7, ND7.
Pawn to G7 is
Pawn
correct.
to knight.
Now king can't come here. Pawn to G7 is correct. Final.
Pawn G7, sir.
Yes. Now white to play in checkmate black in two moves.
Sir, queen to H8.
Knight movement. Knight movement.
Sir, knight to
And the knight to pawn. Knight to
Knight to
pawn.
pawn move. In F6.
Knight to
So
pawn.
pawn to knight. Now one move checkmate. Can you tell?
Sir, sir, QG7, QG7.
G7.
G7.
Who G8 is correct. Who G8 is
G8.
correct. Who G8. Now king can't come here or here. Correct. Correct.
Rook to G7.
Rook to G7, then the queen will kill the rook. ಈಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ white to play?
Sir, this is the last problem. G3.
Yes, yes. This is the last problem. Another two problems are there. Another one problem is there.
Pawn to G3.
RE4.
RE4. Pawn will kill the R. Where should?
Okay.
Sir, R to pawn. Rook to pawn.
No, that's
Sir,
wrong.
RH6, RH6. Sir, RH6.
No, bishop.
Sir.
Now one more checkmate. Can you tell?
Sir, pawn to G3.
No, queen movement. Queen movement.
Sir, queen.
Pawn to G3 is not
Queen
possible.
to
QH3.
Sir,
QH3.
H3.
Correct. Now king can't come here or here.
H3.
Correct. Correct. Last problem. White to play in checkmate black in two moves.
Sir, sir, NF6, NF6.
NF6. Okay. Now,
Then F6.
now pawn to F6. One move checkmate. Can you tell?
Sir,
Sir, QG6, QG6. G6.
R to G8. R to G6.
RD8 is not RE8 is not possible. It is pinned. Rook is pinned.
Sir, R
RF6
to
is not.
G6.
RF6 is not possible. RG6 then it will not be checkmate. Then king can escape. Queen G6 is correct. Queen G6 is correct. Okay. Can I chant mantra? Namastantaಯ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಮೂರ್ತೆ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಪದ ಶಿರೋಭಾವಿ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಾಮ್ಯ ಪುರುಷಾರ್ಥ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರದಾಳಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಓಂ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ. Mukund, please send the address. Mukund.
Yes, sir. I will send the address, sir.
Okay.
Bye, sir.
Thank you. Bye, Kara.
Bye, sir.
Bye, Kara.